Hi there, this is the instructional video on how to use my Airbnb inventory checklist. If you found this video on social media or YouTube, you can look in the description for the link to purchase my item. Okay, so at the top, we're going to start here. This is the property name. So sometimes in Airbnb, people name their properties, so we can call it, the Bluebird Lane property, and then the property address would be 124 Bluebird Lane. Okay, we can put today's date, double click it, and it'll have the date, or you can manually type the date in. Okay, so the inventory checklist, this is everything that's needed. This is a fully customizable spreadsheet. You can add items, you can remove them, and you can also check them off as they're done. Starting with kitchen and dining, it has everything that's needed in the dining room or kitchen. And if you wanted to change them, you simply just need to go in here, highlight, and then type in something different. It's that easy. When you check it off, it will do a strike through and highlight the item. Now, so this is everything that's needed in the pantry. There's cookware. There's enough items for bedroom 1, 2, and 3. These are all the same in the bedrooms. And I have a baby crib in bedroom 1 as a checklist, just because there's probably only one baby crib that's going to be in the house. Usually that's in the closet. So I've got that check mark off there. In the pantry, I do have some items like a fire extinguisher, that you might have in the house. You can put it in the pantry wherever you want to put it. The next, I have 3 different bathrooms. You're welcome to customize this and, take out an item. All you have to do is just click on there, delete it, and then make a totally different category. So in the bathroom, we have things such as mainstays, such as towels, washcloths, a black washcloth, trash cans, rugs, and then also replenishables such as shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash, that sort of thing. In the entryway, I have your main items that are important, such as your welcome sign, welcome book, welcome mat, Wi-Fi instructions, house rules. But then certain things sometimes you want to have that are handy and put in drawers, batteries, flashlights, that kind of thing. Just handy if you'd like. Some people do offer, a gift in the entryway at the front for your guests. I've seen that as well. Okay, so laundry room, washer, dryer, basket, soap, dryer sheets, whatever you feel like putting in there. And then the ironing board, you can of course keep it, or the iron, sometimes you can put that in the closet in the bedroom or the laundry room. I've seen there as well. Outdoors, if you've got outdoor furniture with an awning, that's gonna be protected from the weather. You can have cushions and pillows, chairs, your grill items, string lights, that type of thing. And then down here, I've got a place for notes. So if you've got notes of, hey, I need to order something quickly, or um, hey, this item tends to break more often. Let's replace it with something else. You can put, new rugs in a bathroom for room A, something like that. But then there's also a shopping list. So as you need things, if you go through and just do a walkthrough of the Airbnb and you notice things need to be purchased, you can add this as well. And then there's more room on here for other items as well. So that is essentially how to use the checklist. Now, how to print it, you would hit File and then Print. And then you would want to go to Scale and then Fit to Page. And then that way, when you print it out, it'll fit everything on the page. I would also suggest if you're doing a printable version of this that you would uncheck all your boxes first and then when you go to print, that it shows up nice and neat and you can just check it off as you walk through the house. You could also put this on a tablet, walk through the house, and then check it off, using a stylus and your tablet as well. So it's very customizable. However, this works for you. That would be great. So I hope this works well. We do have other Airbnb items in our shop you're welcome to look at as well. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope y'all have